top of her, go on the top of her, in the front of the table. Not you, Maggie.
Like,
In front of the table, up at the head, and then go back. Can I do a wider angle shot? Okay. All right, stop there.